Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to send multiple pictures to a chat on WhatsApp Web right from your PC using the latest update. If you've been wondering how to share several images at once without going back and forth, this video is just what you need. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to WhatsApp Web. Scan the QR code with your phone if you haven't logged in recently. Within a few seconds, your chats will appear on the screen and you're ready to message just like on your phone. Next, open the chat where you want to send your pictures. It could be a friend, a family member, or even a group chat. Once the chat is open, look toward the bottom of the screen. On the left side of the message box, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on it and a few options will pop up. Choose the one that says Photos and Videos. Now, this is where the new update makes things easier. A file window will open, allowing you to select not just one, but several photos at once. You can hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking to select multiple images, or if they're all in a sequence, click the first one, hold Shift, and select the last. When you're done choosing, click Open. You'll now see a preview window inside WhatsApp Web showing all the pictures you selected. You can even type a caption for each one if you like, or rearrange them before sending. Once you're satisfied, all that's left to do is click send. WhatsApp Web will instantly upload and deliver all your selected photos in one go. And that's it. You've just sent multiple pictures through WhatsApp Web in only a few simple steps. It's fast, convenient, and saves you time, especially when sharing event photos or important work images. Thanks for watching.